All right, what's up, everybody? BTB here doing number 4 random teams impeccable case break. Bottom spot, you got a random team or combo. Teams were already randomized in the previous video. There they are. Danielle, Fight Doc, if y'all make a trade, just let me know. I'll honor it, man. Let me know. All right, let's see real quick which case we're going to do. Odd left, even right. Even. Here we go. Put the teams up real quick so y'all can see, decide what y'all can see what you got. See what we're going. COD to play. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Alright, look, Fight Doc. He's going to give you, but you got to settle up with him whatever cash y'all going to do, man. So, you get the Steelers. He'll get the Bills. Real quick, let me change this. He just sent me a PM. Hook him up, man. He hooked you up, bro. So you have the Steelers now, Fight Doc. Here's the metal card. Uh-oh, it's on top. We'll wait till the end to do the metal card. What do you think? What's up, Cody C, man? Here's a link to my Facebook group if you want to join, bro. That's where the majority of people are watching. I will, man. I'll save the metal for last pack. Metal card right here. Number 75, Warren Moon for the Vikings. Oh, wrong ones. $75, Emmett Smith. What's up, Cody? How you doing, man? You're welcome to join my Facebook group, man. That's where Emmett Smith, number 75, Cowboys. It's going to be Wally. I'm live in my group. That's where the majority of people watch, so you're more than welcome to join it, and that's how Jordy. 25, Phillip Rivers, Chargers. That's where I feel the majority of my breaks, man. Nate B. I don't know. Do you have Facebook, Cody? And look at that. Number to 87, Jordy Nelson. Green Bay Packers going out to Craig. Craig, you was on a dry spell. Congrats, man. Now you're out of it. Nice. Number to 15, helmet and jersey, Paul Perkins for the Giants. Giants going out to Danny O. Danny O, man. All right, let me try to. All right, man. I just approved you, man. So if you want to jump in there to watch in there, you can. I just approved you, man. Welcome to BTV, brother. Number to 25, Brandy Dowdy with the Dolphins, Miami, Jim M. Jim M continuing the streak, man. What's up, James? Amir Abdullah, number to 99. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. Lions going out to Chris P, our resident vid guy. Look at that right there. Y'all that are joining in Breakers, y'all are welcome to join my Facebook group. That's where I film my breaks. That's where the majority of the audience is at right there. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to try to get this from some Nakimi. I've been looking for these, man. Earl Campbell. Damn. I've joined like 6 breaks with the Titans and I haven't hit Earl Campbell. I hit a Mariota, but Nakimia. I'm gonna have to get with you on this, bro. Earl Campbell, 2 of 7. It's a nice card, man. Fill out a vote. 2 of 7. Earl Campbell. Damn. I likes that a lot. I'm a big Houston fan, so. Oh yeah, fourth and goal on the 1. I'm handing it off to Earl Campbell all day long. Oh yeah, my bad. Shit. No, never mind. It's not Nkemia. It's Titans. Well, Nkemia has Texans and Titans. Ha! So he gets it. Yeah, he's an Oiler all the way, dude. I view him as a Houston team. Oh, I almost messed up there. I was just thinking Houston for some reason, but Nkemia owns Texans and the Titans, so it's all good. He's not doing so well. He took a beating, man. They ran him till the wheels fell off. Oh, no doubt, man. I've got some sick Earl Campbell cards, man. Speaking of Earl, Ryan Matthews, number to 75 for the Eagles, going out to Craig. Jason W. Oh man, I mean, you know, I'm gonna be biased, but you know that's a good choice too, John Riggins, no doubt. Speaking of Earl, 54 of 75, Earl Campbell for Mordowitz. Big Earl Lynx. David Johnson, number to 25, Arizona. Going out to Larry Joe. Larry. There are some Niners in this, though, man. They are in here, man. Jalen Smith, number 25 for the Cowboys. Wally. I hear you, James. It's all good, bro. I'm just opening up to you, man. Adam Gotsis, number 99 for the Broncos. Going out to Jim M. So Jim hitting with Miami and Denver. So you don't need to get up. It probably reaches from wherever he's sitting at, Wade. Number to 25, Keith Marshall for the Skins. That's in a combo. Going out to Larry. I'm going to go with the rookie last. Clay Matthews, number to 20, Green Bay Packers. Going out to Craig again. Are these smaller ones? Well, these are smaller ones. Boom. And for the Vikings, Laquan Treadwell, Minnesota Vikings, going out to Jimmy W. Jimmy W with the Treadwell hit. Last box, and then we got the metal card. Don't forget we have the metal card. Dummy cards. Number 75, Gale Sayers. Bears. That's going to be Bears, or I believe it's Wadey Wade. Wadey Wade. Wade P. I've hit a couple of big Bens, dog. 2 of 10. Boomer Esiason. Boomer Esiason. What's up, guy? How you doing, man? Tyler Eifert for the Bengals. I like to get one of the, I don't know if they have the elegance for Earl Campbell, but if they do, I'd like to get that. Number to 99. Cincinnati. That's in a combo going out to Randy C. Jordan Payton, number to 99 for the Cleveland Browns, going out to Danny O. Danny O. Kelvin Taylor, number 99 for the 49ers. There's a 49ers card going out to Cliff M. Cliff M. Damn, 3-0, huh? Could like Cubs are gonna take it, dude. I forgot to take this one off from the bottom. Amari Cooper, number to 75. And Elegance veteran patch, Emmanuel Sanders for the Broncos. Going out to Jim M. Broncos. And check this one out. 4 of 5 for the Bears. Old school Clyde Bulldog Turner. Clyde Bulldog Turner. Impeccable cuts for the Bears. Jimmy, you got the Vikings. You did get a hit, man. 4 of 5. There you go, Wade. There you go, Wadey Wade. Alright, metal card. Gotta be something big in this, dude. Who's got this team? For the Giants, number to 12, 4 of 12. Michael Strahan, Danny Mother effing day. Oh. 4 of 12 string hand. Damn, those cards are heavy. That's the break. Earl Campbell hit sweetness coming out.